Today, we're diving into 6 key strategies to revitalize your digestive system. Let's jump right in. Our digestive system is crucial for overall well-being. Let's understand why while we explore these strategies. Strategy 1. Hydration and fiber. It's like a symphony of nutrients for your digestive system because the water facilitates the breakdown of food, ensuring nutrients are efficiently absorbed in the digestive tract. Fiber, on the other hand, is a non-digestible carbohydrate found in plant-based foods. Strategy 2. Mindful eating. Chew thoughtfully and savor each moment for an elevated digestive experience. It encourages a non-judgmental awareness of the sensory aspects of eating, such as taste, texture, and smell. By paying attention to the experience of eating without distractions, individuals can develop a healthier relationship with food. Strategy 3. Probiotics. Gut-friendly foods, rich in probiotics, support a balanced gut microbiome, creating a rejuvenating spa day for your gut. Incorporating these foods, like yogurt and fermented veggies, promotes digestive health by fostering a diverse and beneficial community of microorganisms in the digestive system, contributing to overall well-being. Strategy 4. Exercise. It's a soulful melody that resonates through your digestive system. Find an activity that speaks to your heart. Regular physical activity is essential for maintaining gut health. Exercise promotes the efficient movement of food through the digestive tract, reducing the risk of constipation and enhancing overall digestive function. Strategy 5. Stress management. Techniques like yoga guide your system back to a harmonious melody. These may also include mindfulness, deep breathing, meditation, and physical activity. By implementing any of them, individuals can alleviate stress, promote mental well-being, and positively impact various aspects of their overall health. Strategy 6. Quality sleep. As the night unfolds, your body embarks on a celestial journey of restoration and rejuvenation. This practice supports overall well-being by allowing the body and mind to rejuvenate, promoting optimal cognitive function, emotional balance, and physical health, acting as the most potent catalyst for the body's healing mechanisms. During sleep, the body undergoes essential processes that repair tissues, strengthen the immune system, and consolidate memories. And there you have it, 6 key strategies to revitalize your digestive system. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with those seeking a gut-brain harmonious connection. Until next time, harmonize with the rhythm of your gut, and live radiantly. See you soon with more expert advice for simplest natural habits to live longer and healthier.